As you've selected the perfect blinds for your window, now it's time to get accurate measurements. You'll need a metal measuring tape, paper, and a pen. For an inside mount, you'll need a window depth of minimum 3 inches. If the window depth is less than 3 inches, we recommend an outside mount. There are 4 options available for measuring an extra wide window. Option 1. For accuracy, one person can hold one end while you measure to the nearest fraction on the other end. Option 2. If the reading is unclear, take a picture of your reading, keeping the measuring tape with the edge of the trim, and save the picture as the window name. Option 3. Place the tape measure on the windowsill and measure from one inside end to the other inside end. Option 4. In the case of a 3-pane window, you can measure from the left edge of the window to the middle of the first joint, then from the middle of the first joint to the middle of the second joint, and then from the second middle joint to the right edge of the window. This way, you can have 3 blinds. Do keep in mind, there will be a 1-inch gap between each blind when installed. Once you have taken the measurements of your windows, you can go ahead and place your order right away. For widths between 96 inches to 110 inches, please contact us. You can also take help from our live video support to assist you in the complete process of selecting, measuring, ordering, and installation.